Hello, this is Chris Charles, Everyday VBA. We are doing another Macro Monday. This is a late edition. Actually, ran into some problems when I was doing this one. It was actually a lot harder than I thought. Anyway, this is a fun one. It's definitely a challenge. So this came from the YouTube channel. Someone came and said, hey, what if I want to know the nth Fibonacci number? Now, a Fibonacci number is basically where you take the prior two numbers and you add them together. So if I add these two, it's going to give me 1. My next one's going to be 2, and then my next one's going to be 3, and then it's going to be followed by 5, and on and on and on. So it's really easy to do in a spreadsheet. A little harder to do when you do it in an if statement, or not an if statement, but in a do loop or in a for loop. So here is the challenge. The challenge is you're going to get a input box. Now I use the application.input box because it forces you to use a number. So if I put in a non-number, it's going to yell at me. And let's say I want the first Fibonacci number, and that is going to give me 1. Now if I hit 2, that is also going to give me 1. If I hit 3, it's going to give me 2, and so on. Now typically we don't count that though. But that's really the challenge. So for example, if I went, let's just do 8 for example, that's going to give me 21, which is down here. So this is a really fun challenge. Work on it. It may be a struggle for you. It definitely was for me originally. Know that you guys can do it. If you do solve the problem, put your code in the comments. If you have questions, put code in the comments. And if you have not subscribed already to the Everyday VBA channel, please do that. You can also check me out at Facebook. And I hope you guys enjoyed.